This video shows you step by step a secret trick on significantly conserving your mobile phone's battery life and extending your mobile phone's battery life. And this trick I applied to my cell phone. I'm now going on day 3 with my cell phone on 24 hours a day, and I'm still at about 50% power. It made a huge difference. These step-by-step instructions show you how to massively conserve your cell phone's battery with one secret trick, step by step. Now, one thing you have to consider is when a mobile phone displays a graphic, any graphic or any colors whatsoever, black is the complete absence of color. Any other color has to use battery juice to be displayed. So this cell phone background you see right here with all these colors, every single one of these pixels that the cell phone has to illuminate uses up cell phone battery power. So the secret trick is simply to use a perfectly black background for your cell phone's wallpaper. Come to this web page here, gives you step-by-step instructions how to do this for both Android as well as iPhone. The black image here you can download with your cell phone and then apply that as your cell phone's background. That one trick alone makes a huge difference. And then this web page also has several other tricks to further conserve the life of your cell phone's battery.